Hey, what's up, everyone? Bit me some back with another Avax video. Avalanche. Right now, I'm on the 1 hour Avalanche time frame. Um, I haven't did one of these videos in a few days, so I just want to pretty much do it right now. All the new TA. Alright, so it looks like this little zone came down, came back to it, came down, came back to it. So if I had to guess, we might come back down to this again, and that's around 65. Oh man, we were just at, the peak was at 83. It's not bad. So yeah, I'm on the 1 hour. I'm just trying to see what I see on here. Oh, actually that's a good chart. So yeah, on the 4 hour. Alright, so if you notice, that is what played out actually. So I measured this to that, and it pretty much hit the target perfectly. So that played out, so that pattern played out perfectly. And then after that one, we pumped back up. So my guess would be I wonder if this could be a double top. And this actually could possibly be a double top forming. So it might be. So if you notice that and that forming, and if I did something like this, and this is on the 4 hour, so this is definitely good confirmation that it could be playing out. So this Avax current price right now is $79.80. So I'm just looking at a so yeah, recently we were just at $83. That's pretty good. So on the 1 hour and also on the MACD, what it's looking like. Okay, so this pattern actually that's playing out is a rising wedge, and if you notice at the top right, this rising wedge points to both lines going up, and then it breaks to the downside. And so we definitely found support right here at 65 or 66. Alright, so if you notice how long this trend was, this was the correction. How big that is. So if this is the trend, I think the correction could possibly be back to where this blue box area is at. And this is the next decision. This is the decision it has to make right here. So I'm thinking if it breaks through here, it's going to come back to this blue box. And like how I was saying about the decision, if it comes in here and it creates a candle and it closes in here, that could be meaning we found a bounce. But if we get a candle that closes underneath it, then that lets us know we broke that support, and now the next target would be down here at 65. So I'm thinking, let me check the RSI real quick on the 4 hour. wish I would have looked at this one a little bit sooner. I would have caught it at that peak. So right now we have the stock pretty much at the top, crossing back down. We have the MACD. It was 821 and 5. Yeah, that's right. Histogram columns. Yeah. And if you notice, the volume on, or the columns on here are coming down slowly on the MACD. The RSI, I don't have my 50 mark on here. Let me do this 50 line. That way I just know where the middle's at. Now I'm trying to get it right on the 50 and it's Alright, got it, finally. I was lucky, I don't even know how I did that. Alright, so on the RSI, if you notice, we are making this trend, but we did just get rejected, so we could be coming down at least probably back to this 50 line. This is gonna come down. MACD is gonna come down. So yeah, I'm just trying to get a glimpse of what could be going on. So yeah, I just think this most important thing is that it's not going to be a crazy move because of how small this little area is. If it was like a bigger pattern, possibly something more like this, the move could be a lot bigger. But because of this, how small this pattern is, the move could only be so much. So I'm just thinking from here to there. And if you look at the measurement, is getting me right into that zone again. So if we hit that zone, we could be coming back up, bouncing off it. But I guess we did make, let me put another rectangle down here. Alright, so yeah, that's where I'm thinking if it breaks, you gotta wait till this 4-hour candle closes. So I'm gonna go switch to the 1 hour, and if you notice on this 1 hour, it looks like a possible, well, I mean, it is 3 shoulders like that, but if we break this line, that's when we're coming down. So we technically already have a wick closing underneath it. So I'm just thinking, but if we could definitely look at, now we're at 80 cents, so we're definitely pushing up. So I think what happened actually, because we did just close that candle, the green candle right here at the support, that let me know that we found support at that. So this next one is probably going to come back up again. And this red candle that is inside of this wedge, how it's a big one, and then the next one right after is small, that just let us know it got rejected. And then this long wick on the green, the longer the wick, the stronger the move up. So if it's a little small wick at the bottom, then we didn't have a strong move up. But that green wick, we had a strong move up. So this next candle could be either out or in, but so yeah, just current price right now is $79.94, and that's just really my idea right now, is to, if this is a possible head and shoulder, if we break it, we definitely coming back down to this blue area. Yeah, if we break this trend line, look, so let me give you a few price targets. This trend line is coming in at 79.55 is where this trend line is coming in at. 79.75. So 55 and 75. So 79.55, 79.75 is the low price range where that's kind of coming in at. It just depends on where. Let me zoom in a little bit more. So it just depends on where at this part of this line it breaks at. So if it breaks way up here, then obviously the price is going to be different. But it looks like we're getting close to somewhere right here. So current price is 80 now. So if we do push back up, I think we could push back up to this 81.59 area at least. So yeah, so that's my idea for Avax Avalanche. If you guys could do me a favor and subscribe and hit the notification, that would really help out. I appreciate everybody watching this far into the video. If you're watching and you haven't subscribed yet, just make sure you subscribe. I will be dropping daily videos on all the popular cryptos, so if you have any suggestions, just leave a comment and I will get back to you. Alright, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.